cannot believe that I did not sleep. I have been up since oh my god, I've been up since 2 p.m. yesterday, and now it's minutes to 7. For some reason I feel hungry and I feel like going to the kitchen, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to turn on some music, like some sleep music, so that I could take a nap, and then I'll just check back in with you guys. All right guys, wagwan, I'm up. So just took a shower. I have 3 major things on my list to do around the house today, and I'm going to take you guys with me. I mean, around the apartment. All right, so let's go. The 3 major things that I need to concentrate on today are cleaning the kitchen, cleaning the floors, well, just vacuuming the floors, and I need to tidy up my bedroom. So that's what I'm going to do with you guys today. I have small stuff to do in between while the food is on the stove cooking. I will attend to those stuff. So yeah, you guys are going to be with me this evening. So come on, let's go, because I ain't got no time. So I'm done cleaning the kitchen and vacuuming both the kitchen and the bathroom floors. These are the 2 main areas that always needs to be vacuumed. Now I'm actually going to take a break and I'm going to go eat something. I just boiled some water to make some tea, and once I'm finished that, I'm going to go tackle my room, because I don't want to like not eat anything. Like, this would literally be the first meal for the day for me, and it's literally like 4:30 p.m. So that's what I'm gonna do. After I'm done cleaning my room, hopefully this turkey mince is actually thawed so I can get started. I think for dinner I'm going to do spaghetti and turkey breast. Alright guys, so I'm done having lunch. It is time for me to start my bedroom. Honestly, I'm kind of a little bit ashamed to show this on camera, but we're gonna get it done today. So let's get started. To go to the kitchen, so let us go together. Hopefully this turkey is thawed out, so come on, let's go. Hey guys, I'm just checking back in with you tonight. I'm done having dinner. I took a shower because of course it's bedtime. I just want to say thank you guys for sticking with me today. I got the chance to complete those 3 tasks with you today. I really had fun doing this vlog, honestly, and of course to edit it. I just want you guys to know that I have some content coming your way, but I want to know below, what do you guys want to see more? Is it lifestyle vlogs or more beauty tutorials? All right, please comment below and let me know. If you have not joined the BFGlamSquad, hey, it's free. What are you waiting on? Just subscribe. Please thumbs up this tutorial if you guys had fun watching, and please guys, please stay safe,
please wash your hands, and please stay home. Listen, the whole of we want to go around, you know, so me I beg you know, please stay safe and please stay home. I love you guys. Again, thank you. Until next time. Bye guys.